Alright, what's up, guys? It's Tech Intellect, and I'm very excited to say that I got the Nikon Z6, and I just got it today. I'm just super excited about it, and I just ended my college career playing basketball, so I'm free enough to get down and dirty and get to doing more work. So that's why I'm really excited about it. So here it is. I got the Z6 because of the video capabilities, and I got the 24 to 70 kit. So this is just an unboxing. I'm pretty sure you guys know the details if you came across this video. It came in 2 separate packages, this Z6 box and then the lens box. Toss that to the side. First, let's just do the lens. This is a 24 to 70 f4, but they said it should be just as good as the 2.8, just because they have the new opening on the new camera. Got bubble wrap. I don't want that. And here it is. It's very heavy. It seems very solid. And here's the lock. It seems kind of amateur to have it extend like this, but I'm kind of glad that it does. It's not as big or heavy as the other one. It also comes with a lens hood. Might as well take it out for you guys, which is a little fancy, and a lens bag, which I probably won't be needing because it's the only lens I have at the moment for the Nikon Z6. So let's move this to the side. Let's move on to the box. We got here the warranty. Ooh, make sure y'all can't see that. Gotta make sure I do that later on. Let's bust it open. Bust it. Some little packaging here. And here it is. Man. It's solid. We'll visit that in a second. We also got a charger. Same battery for the Nikon D16 and the 750. Got a battery here. There's some other tools, and this is for this right here, so it can go onto the wall. You might need that. And this is a cord with the USB-C cable to go into the camera, and that can charge your camera as well. And here's the strap. It's a nice little look. Probably not going to use this, I don't think, but here is what it looked like. Nice. It's an old school retro design. Put this all to the side. And you know, of course, I had to get the FTZ mount to mount my other lens, other lenses that I have. You know, the same thing comes with the warranty and the mount. And here, we'll test that out soon as well. And here it is. Man, I am so excited. Would you look at that? So it's a Z mount. The Z mount is way bigger than the F mount, as you can tell. The F mount is here and it's much smaller, and the Z mount is right here. So we're not gonna be worried about that too much today. This thing is solid. It feels great in the hands. I'm just pretty pleased with it. I know that it doesn't have a battery in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in here. But that's all I really wanted to show you guys. I just wanted to show you the unboxing. And I'm going to be playing with this so much. Then the shutter release is disabled because I need to recharge the battery, of course. But good thing is this is the same charger, the same battery from the Nikon Z6 and the 750. I have the 750 right now, and I just sold my 610. So I'm shooting the overhead camera right now with the 750. And I'm going over here to grab a charger. A battery. Actually, these kind of look different. I want to read the back. Yeah, these are definitely different. This screen is beautiful. Oh my God. It's huge. It's articulating. Can go all the way up over here. Can point it down if I need to. And it's huge. It's great. So I'll get back to you guys with more about this camera. It's Tech Intellect. Thank you guys for watching. And this was just an unboxing. I'll have many more reviews and tests going on pretty soon. If you like this video, subscribe for more. And put it down in the comments of some things you want to see. All right, see you guys later. Peace.